you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with the reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass 80th Special Edition in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 905108.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.